That's us before the 17th door.
I just signed my life away.
And this is us after the 17th door.
We are at the one and only 17th door down here in Buena Park, California. There's 17 rooms, there's 17 challenges, and we're really not sure if we're gonna make it all the way through. But the best part is we're gonna take you inside with us to find out. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
I love the color in here.
Oh God.
I could use this.
Hey,
I
no,
could use
no,
this for
no.
my collection.
Not
You could just
today.
do all this right here.
Oh,
right?
that's a big old chunk.
No, not that whole thing.
No?
Not that whole thing.
That'd be
the whole thing?
memorable.
A smaller piece.
Maybe I'll get the split ends later on.
Okay.
There you go.
Split
Take
in.
care of you, all right?
Oh, I don't know.
Professional, I got you.
Oh God.
Into that?
Over there.
Why are you waiting? Come on, come on!
I'm not waiting.
Look at y'all. Brought a handle for me right here.
I brought a couple.
Love it. Let's see. Look in the light for me. Who came to donate their lashes for me tonight?
No, not it.
Are you sure?
Mine are
I bet if
real.
I pull pretty hard.
No.
Alright. Did you guys read these things?
No.
I didn't think so. What are you most excited about? You like the shockies, the creepy crawlies? Ball pit! Yeah! Maximum balls, baby. You're all about it, aren't you? Look at
I guess so.
you. Got this.
Oh yeah. Ah!
Welcome to the asylum. The doctor will see you now. Are you ready, foolish mortals?
Yeah!
All right, put your hands in the air and say, I have signed my waiver.
I signed the waiver.
Sehr good, sehr good. We will sing the song of courage. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ziggy zoggy, ziggy zoggy, oi, oi, oi.
Ziggy zoggy, oi, oi, oi.
When that lights up green, you will press the button and go see the bus driver. Good luck, foolish mortals. All right, now press the button, fresh fish, and go, go.
Please don't smoke it or vaping on the bus. Whoever was up here was bad. I don't think it's my filter. It's just fucking door. All right, welcome to the bus. Oh, sorry, I just hit you with a tire.
It's all right.
All right, don't break my TV like you asked me to. No signal, no good. Watch this video instead. I will be a bus driver. Put your seatbelts on.
There ain't no.
I want to take from you to Perpetuum Penitentiary.
Oh.
Whoa! Like this. When the number above the door is correct, you knock the door.
Oh my God! I just had a little bus run. Oh!
I didn't do my spot check. Come on, get off my bus.
Okay.
Cops show up. There's definitely a dude in my grill. Like a control. The door turns green. Go through it. Like now.
Go, 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 go.
Come on. Let's go in. Let's go.
Oh God.
All right. Have a seat. Have a seat. I'm ready for
No.
everyone. Come on.
Oh, me?
Have a seat.
Oh, gosh.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
No, he's got the camera. How's he supposed to?
Oh, he's
I can go
going.
selfie
He's
style.
doing
Oh,
it.
you're doing it? All
Yeah.
right. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh,
I want you to
geez.
read that sign there.
If you sit in the barber's chair, your hair will be cut. I just sat in the chair. Well, what's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Oh gosh. Oh, yep, he's cutting something.
Oh, it's a penis.
Oh, yeah.
It's a 17. Oh God, look out.
There you go. There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
that's a nice one right there. Yeah.
I don't like this. Look.
Oh.
My life. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Yes, one in each chamber. We don't mess with ourselves, okay? Oh my God. Oh my God, it's on his face! Oh, no, 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 no! didn't know who
You didn't mercy out.
There you go, you can take her. No!
Dance party? No
dance party?
They're gonna come taste us in the ass if we're too loud. Where'd you hide your stuff?
I don't know.
Yes, you did.
No.
It was you.
No.
It was you.
Honey Thomas!
What?
Prisoner 655-321, are you ready for inspection?
Sure, but
I
she's
surely
got the
hope
stuff.
you are.
She's got the stuff.
I think he might have it.
That's what that does! You gotta move! No.
Holy crap. Okay, we're going in there.
Wow!
Oh, number 5. Oh, shit.
Are you really going first?
You can duck walk through this.
Oh, God.
How to do, everybody? Okay. Welcome to your escape route.
You're going to escape.
Okay. Oh, back up against the door. Back against the wall. Just gonna test it. Make sure it's all good. One more. Oh my God! You're gonna see all my body. I think that's good. Hey, not anything loose. Go! Oh, I have drool all over my face. Oh yeah! Howdy!
How you doing today?
Great.
Great.
Yeah.
I'm doing great. Yeah. Look at this. I had to clean the toilets all by myself.
That looks beautiful.
But I need some help, so I need to know. Are any of you plumbers? Oh, I'm sorry. Here, let me clean that ride up there. I'm so sorry about that. There you go. Clean your ride.
Thank you. Oh, what's that?
The wall just
We
opened
got a
up.
boss now. Now you have trouble. Coming for you.
I see a door down there.
Oh,
What's
wow.
down here at all? No way. Here she comes.
my.
Here she comes. She's coming for you.
No.
She comes. I warned you.
How do we get out?
We don't know where to go. Out the door. My ass hurts though. That was a good one.
Oh, we got time to go.
That means go. Okay.
Time to go.
Hi.
Oh yeah, baby!
Oh, yeah.
Up against the wall.
All right. Who wants to get tied?
No!
Holy
Stand up! Stand up! Stand up!
Up against the wall.
Oh, God. It's going again!
This is awesome. Oh my God. Go.
Oh, it's a little chilly in front of this one.
Oh boy!
Remy froze! Yeah, it's a little moist in here.
I want to go back into the spinny room.
Right?
So much fun.
That was fun.
Uh-oh. Time to go in.
Okay.
Come on.
Not
Brad's in there.
Oh my God, that's slick.
Yeah.
That's gotta be cold.
Oh my God, yeah.
Oh my.
Oh yeah.
All right, you freeze-dried freaks.
Oh God. Oh my God. Whoo.
Oh, we're green. We're green.
Come on, let's get it.
Shoot.
Oh no, it's death row.
Lindsay, come on up here.
Oh my God, she got all kinds of it.
Yeah.
Faith got a bunch. Oh my
They're
God.
really wet.
What did they do to you?
They're making me wait. You get to go first.
Oh my.
Hurry up.
Oh gosh.
Here you.
Oh, and Brad.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Oh gosh. Come here.
Move back.
Oh, thank you. They bounce off the wall.
Oh, oh.
Just lean down and cover up my nuts.
I was in there going, yeah!
Yeah, Lindsay was shaking it.
I was just like jogging.
God, number
This
11.
is the new one. Holy shit! Here we go!
That's a California earthquake. Number 12.
Oh God, I hate this one.
As you can see, we got a power problem. I'm gonna try and get the lights back on. All right?
Yeah.
Off switch. Got it? Got it.
Holy crap!
Off switch.
No!
That was not the off switch.
I'm sorry, Buzz Light, no. I'm getting away from that. Lucky number 13.
Oh, number 13.
Yeah.
It's green, it's green.
That one real?
You got a friend.
No.
All right, that's enough. You look like weak monsters.
No.
Why'd they send you to me? I know why. You like payback, don't you?
Yeah.
Do that?
Yeah.
I like payback.
I like payback.
I want payback.
I want payback.
All right, let's go. Go. All the way. Go, 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 go.
All the way.
Oh, yeah, get you on too. How about that?
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Payback. Payback.
Payback.
Payback. Payback. Payback. Yeah. Payback. Payback.
That's some dancing up there.
Yeah, they were dancing all right.
Here we go.
All right, any last words?
Fuck.
Engage restraints. Engage restraints. Engage restraints. Initiating breathless execution.
Sorry.
Initiating breathless execution. Initiating breathless execution. 16, 15, 14, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5. Execution failure. Execution failure. Execution failure.
We're still breathing. Oh no, we're still breathing.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Get out. Start bringing back in there and put the camera in there with you.
Oh God.
You guys ready to speak to the warden?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. I don't think he's ready yet for you guys.
Oh, okay.
You guys are gonna stand shoulder to shoulder in front of the glass, all the way up towards the glass.
Shoulder to shoulder.
by surviving firing squad and electro-suffocation, you have now earned a chance at parole.
Yeah!
But first, I need all of you to swear an oath. I want all of you to join hands.
Both hands! Left and right, both
Those
hands!
each end, place your free hand on the Bible. Repeat after me. I swear to be fearless until I die. Very good. One of these doors leads to parole and freedom. Your fate has been decided. Please walk through.
Green door?
Up the stairs! 1 foot from the other, salt and pepper, push out the door!
Let me hear you scream! On count of three, let me hear you say freedom! 1, 2, 3, freedom! Oh, baby!
Yo, what's up, all you river rats and snotty cats? If you're having a good time, let me hear you scream! I'm CJ and Clown DJ, tweaking on the wheels of steel, and I'm here to help you get paroled so you can get the fuck out of here. Let me hear you chant parole. Yeah, here we go. Parole. We gotta keep dropping these balls until you choke on them. More balls. We're getting the fuck out of here.
Brad, you over there?
Kick the balls. Kick the balls. Forever, baby. Get the fuck out of here.
Holy freaking crap, you guys. That was the 17th door down here in Buena Park, California. Let us know what you thought. And don't forget, if you want to see the full uncensored version, make sure you become a member here on the channel. We've also got a behind the scenes tour if you kind of want to see how the sausage is made. And we're going to a bunch more haunts while we're out here in California, so stay tuned here on the channel. I've got the next one linked for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.